Wala nang intro pa. New review. So ito yung Arthur Toys Ninja 01 Upgrade Kit. So this is made by Arthur Toys. So nagkaroon siya ng pre-order. Pero on hand siya ngayon kay Fat Boys Collectibles. So maraming salamat Sir Miguel Leroy Ong sa pag-provide nitong piece na to for review sa channel na to. So ayan yung Ninja 01 Upgrade Kit. So ayan yung likod niya sa box. Tapos ito yung SHF Naruto. So as you can see, the scale of the box is as big as the box. Get it? Anyway, ayan, may konting centimeters lang siya rito. So, sa mga purist na box collectors dyan, makikita nyo na, oh well, pwede naman. So, ito, open natin siya. So, again, galing to kay Fat Boys Collectibles, aka Sir Miguel Leroy Ong. Siya lang yung nag-provide nito na custom piece na available ngayon dito sa Pilipinas. So, kung hindi nyo napapanoorin tong review na to, bilhin nyo na agad kasi napakasulit na tong custom pieces na to. So, tanggalin na natin yung tray, nahuhulog na siya. So, what we get here sa ating tray is, syempre, custom faceplates. Pero nagtataka kayo, bakit ang daming hands? So, nag-provide si Arthur Toys ng additional hands. As you can see here. Gaganyan lang muna natin para hindi siya makahulog. And additional set of faceplates na unique kay Naruto. So, isa-isahin natin yan. Ayan yung may expect mo sa faceplates na makukuha mo rito. Yan. Kasi, yung faceplates na ito, unti lang. Blablabla. Yan. Screaming Kurama head. Kurama mode. Sage mode. The decals are excellently applied, so I can tell na on par siya with Bandai's release. This is the Sage mode, straight face. Ayan. Sobrang high quality nung ano na to, set na to. Ito yung Sage mode na nakatingin sa kanyang left. Okay. Ito yung crying head sculpt niya. Tulo pa yun. As you can see, oh, tulo pa yung sipon niya. Comedy. Tapos ito yung favorite faceplate ko. Unique to. So yan, yung bugbog niyang mukha. So yung pag sinusuntok siya ni Sakura, so yung mga comedy parts ng Naruto. Ayan. Napakaganda rin ang gawa rito. Tapos, main event. Rasen Shuriken. Ayan. So kikita nyo siya na meron siyang peg dito. Ano siya, compatible siya sa hand ni Naruto. Tapos ito yung mini Rasen Shuriken. Ganun din, meron din siyang hand, peg para sa hand. So, ipapasok na muna natin siya kay Naruto. So, ayan lang yung faces na included sa official Naruto. Wala yung isang faceplate niya, which is yung smiling. Ilalagay ko rito sa summer dito sa video ko ang itsura nun. So ito yung serious face, yung yelling, yung Kurama na angry, tsaka yung nakasigaw na comedy face niya. So yan lang yung faceplates niya. So total dito sa Arthur Toys, meron ka pang additional na 6 faceplates. So merong available na faceplate naman kay Obito, pero isa lang yun. So if ang target mo lang is to get the faceplate, you can either buy Obito to have one, pero mas practical na meron kang ganito. Lalo na if you're a Kage Bunshin collector. As you can see, ito yung official. Focus. Yan. Tapos ito yung Arthur Toys. So as you can see, mas detailed si Arthur Toys. Yung sa kanyang eyebrows, as well as yung kanyang yung claw marks niya rito. Mas maganda yung kay Arthur Toys. Ayan. So as you can see, ito yung Sage mode faceplate kay Naruto. Napakaganda nung decals niya. Ang pagkabit nito is like the official ones, yung you pull it down tapos you pull it up lang. So saktong-sakto, and the skin tone matches quite nice. Kasi ito yung kanyang mini Rasen Shuriken. So ayan yung Sage mode faceplate niya sa official Naruto body. What do you guys think? Okay, di ba? So, palitan din natin siya ng iba pang faceplate. Ito yung kanyang other Sage mode faceplate, yung looking to the left side. Ayan, di ba maganda rin siya? See? Looks nice. So kung nakikita nyo itong parang medyo parang line doon sa kanyang eyes, it's deep, it's part of the design. Ayan, ayan yung looking off to the left niya. Tapos ito yung Sage mode head, screaming, and Futon Rasen Shuriken. Ayan. So as you can see, so yung hand na to is galing dun sa Arthur Toys. Meron lang din tayong slight discrepancy. Yung hands nito that came with the Arthur Toys are much smaller than the Bandai release. So I guess sa aesthetics niya, mas okay siya. Kasi sobrang large nung hands ni Naruto na included dun sa official release. So ito yung sa Arthur Toys, tapos ito yung sa SHF. As you can see, sobrang laki nung sa SHF. Ito yung official tapos ito yung Arthur Toys. So parang unnatural siya tignan, mukha siyang Roblox. So yan, Bandai, tapos ito yung Arthur Toys, as well as yung Rasen Shuriken hands. So yan, ayan yung kanyang streaming head, Rasen Shuriken. Yan. Akala ko yung hands niya is extras lang, and hindi rin naman siya for Kid Naruto. And the upgrade kit naman talaga is for Shippuden Naruto. So, hindi siya sa pang kid. Pero if you'd like, okay naman. May konting accuracy problems lang kung sa kid mo siya ilalagay. So, this kit is for the Shippuden Naruto. Yan. So, yan yung screaming head sculpt niya. The Rasen Shuriken again. Tapos palitan din natin siya ng other faceplates pang natitira. Ito naman, yung Kurama faceplate na Angrier. Yan. As you can see, ito yung gawa ni Bandai. Again, ayan yung gawa ni Bandai. Tapos ito yung gawa ni Arthur Toys. So, mas intense yung kanyang anger dito. So, mas maganda siyang i-display sa Kurama mode niya. Yan. Well, dito Kurama mode. Ano man tawag dito? Someone correct me in the comment section. Tagal ko lang din nanonood ng Naruto. And another change naman with the hands is meron siyang peg for the Rasen Shuriken. So, pwede mong ilagay itong malaki or yung maliit. And actually, pwede mo rin ilagay yung default Rasengan accessories na galing sa Bandai. If you'd like. Fit na fit din naman. Yan. See? Fit na fit din naman. Yan. Pero, why use this when this one's better? As you can see, I'm not sure if lore accurate to dahil tagal ko na nga hindi nanonood ng Naruto. Ayan. So ayan, pwede mo rin siyang ilagay dyan, yung Rasen Shuriken niya sa Angry Kurama mode. Ayan. Sausage, why don't you come back to the village with us? So ito yung crying head sculpt ni Naruto, as well as the fists from the Arthur Toys upgrade kit. As you can see, yung fists niya is smaller nga. Should have known nung una pa lang. So mas smaller siya, aesthetically pleasing. If na-OC ka sa bigger hands ni Naruto. Ayan, okay yung hands niya, mas maliit. Kumbaga mas talagang for this figure. As you can see din, meron pa siyang snot sa nose niya. Unique head sculpt din to. So this is specifically made by Arthur Toys. Hindi siya copy or clone. And again, as you can see, yung fists niya, sobrang laki ng difference. Ayan o. Smaller siya o. Tapos ito yung sa official Bandai. Laki. O. Ayan, smaller. Ayan, ayan yung crying head sculpt niya. Pero ito ang susunod natin is yung aking favorite head sculpt. Ayan yung faceplate niya after siyang suntukin ni Sakura-chan. Kobe yung faceplate niya. Pero in fairness, the details are excellent. As you can see, meron siyang blood pouring on his forehead, sa nose niya, tsaka sa lips niya. Hindi ko sure kung ito yung sinuntok siya ni Sakura or this may be the face nung kanilang final battle ni Sasuke. Correct me if I'm wrong, pero napakaganda ng details niya. It may be funny for me, pero sobrang ganda ng details niya, pati itong bukol niya, yung kanyang mumps. It's amazing coming from a fairly new company. Ito si Arthur Toys again. Thank you, Fat Boys Collectibles, aka Miguel Leroy Ong, sa pag-provide nitong sample na to for the review. So yan. So you can see, oh, ganda ng faceplate niya na to. Pwede mong gawing profile picture, oh. Ayan, oh, naka-portrait. Gas gagi. So as you can see ulit, ito yung Arthur Toys Ninja 01 Upgrade Kit. Reminder lang, faceplates and accessories lang, hindi kasama yung body ni Naruto. You'll have to get it for yourself from Bandai or any other shops na nagbebenta ng Naruto. PM nyo rin si Fatboy Collectibles, I think meron pa siyang binibenta. I think he's selling the body, the original body from Bandai and the set for, I don't know, hindi ko pa alam yung price eh. So, kindly ask him sa message sa Facebook. I'll put the links of his socials in the description below. So ayan, again, ito yung accessories that he comes with. So ilapit lang natin. So, as you can see, ayan yung mga hands, and I've made a mistake sa una pa lang na similar type of hand siya. No, it's different. Makikita nyo, ito yung official Bandai hand. Yan, tapos ito yung Arthur Toys hands. So mas smaller siya in comparison sa mga hands ng original release ni Naruto. These are looking aesthetically better kay Naruto. As you can see, ayan yung hands niya, mas inline sa kanyang wrist. Ayan. Basta you have to get this upgrade kit and see for yourself. Maganda siya, sulit siya, lalo't na the changes, lalo na sa hands, will make your Naruto look even better sa faceplates din. So ito, yung peg na to is i-extension pala. Ayan, the peg is an extension para dito sa Rasen Shuriken. If you're planning to use it for a stand, wala ako stand at the moment. So ayan ulit, ito yung mga kanyang Kagebunshin hands. As you can see, different yung kanyang holes dahil this is for the wrists na medyo nakaangat, and this is for the regular. Anyway, ayan ulit yung difference niya in scale. Napakalaki nung sa Bandai kasi ito yung sa Arthur Toys. So thanks again guys for watching this video. I hope you find this review very informative, and special shout out ulit kay Sir Miguel Leroy Ong of Fat Boys Collectibles na nag-offer nitong Arthur Toys for 1,900 pesos. You can get it now kasi on hand siya sa kay Fat Boys Collectibles. Usually siniship na agad yan bago mo babayaran, pero mas mabuti bayaran nyo muna siya. Tropa yan si Miguel, good shit yan, highly recommended, lalo na kapag Philippine based ka, panalo yan. US based customers, I guess you have to contact Miguel also, pero he can make things possible for you. So thanks again guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.